Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Path Trading and Partners along with Bob Iacchino. So let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin finding some support at the 50-period exponential moving average on the daily chart. Looks like we're going to get the overhead resistance from the rotation zone now. So major resistance is going to come in between about 15,100 and 15,295. So watch for that on the rally. Above that, then we're looking for a return to about 16,250 to 16,400. If we do sell off and break below today's lows, again, the next major support we're going to be watching for is about 12,645 to 12,409. And then if that's broken, we're not looking for anything until we get to about the 11,800 again. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart, the rotation zone is against us now, so keep that in mind. So any bottom fishing you're attempting to do, you're going to want to at least move up stops in the rotation zone. So right now the upper end of the rotation zone is about 14,839 where there's resistance. See, we sold off, went to rotation zone, sold off again. Now we're moving back into the rotation zone. So watch for that key area. Switching over to Ethereum. Ethereum came up, hit our next major level is 1361. So that is done. Those levels are done for now. Now we're getting the bigger pullback. Right now we're watching for 1243 to about 1217 for support. See if we can get support. This does look very, very toppy. This looks like it's about to do the bigger pullback. It looks Ethereum's been overextended. If this area does not hold, next area we're watching for is 1087 to 1104. Let's check in on the daily chart to keep this into perspective. See, we're pretty far away from the rotation zone. We can easily pull back to that 1104 level, and that would just be hitting the top of the rotation zone. So that's the first major level you should be targeting. The minor level is this 1243 area. The major level is this 1104, and then watching for a rotation back up. And if it does pull back bigger than that, the next major area is 966 is going to be very key. Puts right in the middle of the rotation zone. Just checking out the weekly too. We haven't looked at Ethereum on the weekly in a while. Top of the rotation zone is all the way back at 809. Not saying it's dropping there immediately, but we could see a bigger pullback beyond these levels. So we'll have to see how this pullback unfolds. But right now, it's trading into the rotation zone. The prior breakout level right now is at the 21 EMA, right around this 1210 area. So really watch for key support coming in there and a rotation back up. And if that does not hold, again, you're watching for this 50-period exponential moving average and about the 25% GAN level pullback, which are going to converge right around this $1,100 mark. Finally, switching over to Ripple, came down. We talked about this level yesterday. This 160 did come down there again. Now, we've had 3 tests of this level. So if this level breaks, we're going to be watching for the bigger pullback even beyond this in Ripple. Right now, it's returning to the bottom of the rotation zone at this $2 mark. If it does break through about 203, watch for a run up to about 220 to 225. That's the upper end of the rotation zone on the 4-hour chart. And at least if you did pick up something down here, move your stops up because we could easily rotate back down. Right now, there's nothing aggressive to do in Ripple with the rotation zone against us and all this overhead resistance coming in. On the daily chart, you can see 1, 2, 3 bottoms here. A triple bottom is generally a continuation pattern if it comes down and tests it again. So keep that in mind. If it does go down there again, we're looking for 147, then 133 to 135 major support area. We have the 8 EMA hooking over, and that's coming in at that 225 mark. So on a rally back up, that's going to be very key resistance. And anybody who bought on some of these dips is now wrong up here. So they may be looking to get out and sell into that rally. So do not get aggressive here. At least we are not getting aggressive here. That's what we have for you on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ripple for this evening. Talk to everyone soon. If you're new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and comment so we can keep the videos coming. Bye for now.